Hello friends. Today I'm going to install an odometer blocker on a 2024 BMW M3 Touring. This is our newest odometer blocker. We will also need these tools for installation and removal of details. So let's get started. First, we remove the door sill protector. Then the plastic cover placed at the feet of the passenger seat, inside which the system cables are located. With the help of a removable tool, remove the top cover as well, because we can easily get to the system plugs. These are the main speedometer cables. Let's remove and connect them exactly like I'm going to do it now. We connect the black plug of the blocker in the place of the black plug, and also the second white plug of the blocker in the place of the white one. Then we connect the car cables to the other side of the blocker plugs. Finally, connect the cable to the module. That's all. Now let's go to the activation. You can activate it by pressing the BC button for 10 seconds or through an application that you can download to your smartphone. You can change modus with the same BC button. This blocker has a total of 4 modes. Mode 1, 2% of the mileage is counted. Speed indicator works. The indicator, turn light flashes 1x only inside the vehicle. Mode 2, 30% of the mileage is counted. Speed indicator works. Turn light flashes 2x. Mode 3, the kilometers are counted at 100%, but the average consumption has stopped and is not increasing. Speed indicator works. To keep the consumption balanced with the miles, you should regularly switch between modes 1 and 3. Turn the light flashes 3x. And mode 4. The kilometers are counted at 100%. The module is deactivated. The speedometer and the odometer work as usual. The indicator, turn light flashes 4x. Now let's test it all in a test drive. Do you see, with the blocker activated, the odometer does not count any kilometers. Good luck, friends, and see you in the next video.